So I've made it here, made it to Broke Boys at the farm, Deja Mu, in case you didn't catch it the first time round. It is very noisy in here. My ears are ringing a little bit still now. I'm in the trade area today and I'm looking around, and there's already some pretty nice cars here. A lot of nice German cars, a lot of nice scene cars, nice and lowered. Everyone's out cleaning the cars. There's no other minis here, so I'm the first to make it, which is good. Time to get out and see how shiny I can make this, and have a little bit of a tidy up in here as well, because there's loads of mess down here too. And also see what has fallen off. I did hear a couple of little clonks. Let's have a look. Starting to get busy here. The sun's coming out. I've got my sun cream on. It's now time to go and have a look around, have a look at some cars, and also get a cup of tea. I desperately need another cup of tea this morning. Far too early. Why aren't car shows later on in the day, so we can all have a little lay in and then go to the car show later on in the day? Because get 3 o'clock and I'm all knackered and tired. I want to go home anyway. But anyway, tea time. over to the shade for a minute. Time to take a chill for a second. It's getting nice and hot. I've been round and had a look at all of the cars. As you would have seen, there's plenty of nice minis here as well. I've met Josh Brooks from B-Roll. I've seen Chris D and he's seen Mini, and Classics United as well, although he's here in the Golf. Been round and had a look at the minis as well. Go check out that blue Mini, I think it is. I'll leave all the links in the description below. I also see a bagged Mini which looks really easy, so I'll be able to help out Josh in my yard now. Just got to cool down for a second. You might not be able to see, but there's plenty of flies here today. We are at a farm, but the weather's out, the sun's out, the Mini's out. Let's go and enjoy the rest of it, see what else is here, and have a nice chilled day out in the sun.